so excited to show you this adorable little fish tank. So this is just about 3/4 of a gallon. And I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that comes in the box, but it's the complete setup, minus the fact that I did add the rocks and my own plant, and of course, this cute little fish. So, and the fish also came with this live plant that was fun to add as well. But this measures just about 8 inches by 6 inches. Everything, like I said, is included. And then the light itself, you've got 3 different light patterns. I'm fond of this really colorful one, but you can go to a more white light, and then kind of a more muted, like a cooler warm light. And then again, the multicolor, which I'm a real big fan of. I really like the way it is with the plant and the fish itself. But let me give you a close-up look. All right, so here is the tank itself. So cute. Our little fish friend is hanging out, loving his new habitat. But on here on the top, this is super convenient because that easily opens to feed your fish. You can do different types of fish, frogs, little shrimps, really a great item. All right, so everything that comes in the box, you get the acrylic tank itself, then you get the lid, and I'll show you this once the fish are in, but you have 3 light modes and then 10 brightness levels, and that's all controlled right there. They also do include the plug with this, or you can just use the USB if that is your option. So within the tank itself, this is what holds the filter. Okay, that filter's right there. This side is what faces into your tank, and then this is going to go out the side like that. And then you have the sponge filter that goes right here, like that. You put the lid on, and then I am also going to add rocks and a plant to this and the fish. So just wanted to show you everything that comes in the box. Let's add water and fish. So if you are looking for just a small little fish tank, good for a betta fish, maybe a couple of guppies, something for your desk, your child's bedroom, I highly recommend this little fish tank. It is so cute, it's quiet, and easy to set up.